Start with straight shots and then pop bottles.
Yeah.
Flirt with the hood rats, then pop models.
First, my mom told you to shovel all this snow, and then whatever you do, don't throw a snowball at the car. Don't throw a snowball at the car. Throw a snowball at the car. I mean it, bitch.
Hey, Doc, don't call me a bitch. You know what's gonna happen? Just playing.
Alright, I'm gonna leave you to do your work. So.
I do not approve of this. Oh well. Don't throw the snowball at the car. That's not what we said. Wait.
Don't throw the snowball at the car. Throw the snowball at the car. Throw the snowball at the car.
Oh, now I remember. Throw the snowball at the car.